With ezW2 software, filing W-2 and 1099 forms is straightforward for both beginners and pros. Let's get started. Step 1. Install ezW2 software. Visit the HalfPriceSoft website to download ezW2. Step 2. Set up your company. Use the Company menu to quickly set up your company information. Step 3. Enter tax form data. You can enter the recipient and 1099 NEC data manually. Or you can import data from a CSV file, QuickBooks IF file, or our Easy Paycheck and Easy Accounting software. Step 4. Print forms. Print a single form or a batch, either on plain white paper or pre-printed red forms. You can print one form per page or multiple forms on a sheet. Form 1096 will be generated automatically based on the 1099 forms. Step 5. E-file to IRS if needed. With ezW2 2025, you have two easy ways to e-file your 1099 NEC and 1096 forms with the IRS. Option 1. Recommended. E-file directly through ezW2 using the built-in e-filing service. No TCC is required. Submit forms directly through ezW2, we transmit to the IRS for you. Option 2. Self-filing. Requires your own TCC. ezW2 creates the IRS-approved TXT file for manual upload to the Fire portal. If you need help, click the Help menu for a step-by-step guide, or visit our support page on the HalfPriceSoft website. ezW2 has helped thousands for almost 2 decades with easy paper printing, PDF filing, and e-filing tools. Take the stress out of tax season. Download the free demo and simplify your filings today.